I can tell you, it's a negative as it is a positive. People are really upset, and I respect it, and I understand it.
Few politicians have as much at stake here as Rubio, a Cuban American with presidential aspirations. He is upset from President Trump personal credibility and viability is on the line here. I mean, nobody talks about this without talking about Marco Rubio in the same breath.
No, I honestly have not analyzed it that way. Because if I wanted to do something political, the easiest thing to do politically is just not deal with the issue. Give a couple speeches and not play and get involved in trying to solve it. I'm dealing with this, and this is hurting our country badly.
Many of Rubio's fellow Republicans simply are not buying that argument.